Laplace transform, CTFT also we have discussed properties. So it is a similar property, linearity property in DTFS. CK, DK are the coefficients. When you add A and B as the multiplier constants along with x1, x2, the same constants will come in frequency domain also. This is about the linearity property. Next, I am going to time shifting property. I am going to time shifting property. If you have x of n, its frequency domain is Ck, then x of n minus n naught, x of n minus n naught, its frequency domain, x of n minus n naught, its frequency domain is C, k minus same n naught value you have to write here. What is the amount of shift? The same n naught value you have to write here. Next, third property, frequency shifting. This is time shifting, what I have told just now. Next is frequency shifting property. Frequency shifting property. If x of n, you have Ck, then in the frequency domain you have a shift. Frequency domain you have a shift. 1 minute. Whenever some disturbance is there, I go absent mind. So this Ck, along with this, you will get one exponential factor e power minus j 2 pi, okay, k 2 pi k, this n naught, 2 pi k n naught, okay. So what we do in Laplace transform is, if you have x of t minus t naught, on the other side you will have x of s along with that e power minus s t naught. That the shifting amount will come over here, and this s is nothing but j omega, and that j omega is frequency domain variable is k. So e power minus j 2 pi k n naught should come here. This exponential factor is addition in the frequency domain when you have time shifting. Okay, when you have time shifting, extra exponential will come in the frequency domain. Now, when you have frequency shifting, what I will do, k minus a coefficient k naught you can take, just 1 minute. You can take any variable k naught or m, capital M, any variable you can take. So in time domain, whatever is there, x of n will be as it is. Along with that, one exponential will come, but now exponential power is positive. And in the frequency domain, in the time domain, we will have 2 pi n, and that coefficient k naught will come over here. Okay, this is about the frequency shifting property. And the next thing is time shifting, frequency shifting. Next, I will go with the time reversal property. Time reversal. If x of n is the signal with the DTFS Ck, you know the meaning, what I am trying to write, double-sided arrow. If x of minus n is there, its DTFS will be minus k will come. And the next property, convolution property. In time domain, convolution means frequency domain, it is multiplication. So if we have convolution, if we have two signals, x1 of n, DTFS is Ck, and x2 of n, its DTFS is dk, then condition, if you make convolution in time domain, in frequency domain, respective elements will be multiplication. Okay. And the next property, conjugate property, something very important. Conjugate property is there. In that, if x of n is present, its DTFS is ck, then x conjugate of n, its DTFS is c conjugate and minus k also will come. If x of n is present, a signal, its DTFS is ck, then if you take the minus symbol also in the conjugate, right side, that minus symbol will not come. This is about conjugate property. These are a few properties in DTFS. These are a few properties in DTFS. With this, I am closing DTFS.